Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
Well, for folks trying to burn some extra calories, the cool down was great for getting out to go for a run or a jog.
Yeah, a little more motivating to get out and do a little exercise when it's not blazing hot like it was the last couple of days. Unfortunately, the blazing hot is coming back, so only a temporary break from it. Let's talk about it. First, getting into your weekend, that's when we're going to start to feel the heat once again. Temperatures today stay just below 90 in most places. We will not be that fortunate heading into the weekend. We will, however, continue to have a little rain in the forecast, so that may provide at least some temporary relief, at least while it's raining. And then when it stops raining and the sun comes back out, then it's going to feel worse than it did before it rained. That's just kind of how it goes this time of year. 94 on your Saturday, 95 on Sunday, and with an increase in humidity this weekend, feels like temperatures are likely to go above 100 degrees, so it's going to be quite steamy out there. Rain chances, though, will help a little bit, especially because we have some drought returning to the area. We will keep some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity in the forecast over the next several days. Latest drought update that just came out this morning showing that drought has returned to much of the area. Just a little hole here from Decatur to Huntsville, and that is about it. Other areas we are in need of some rainfall, and keep in mind this time of year those drought conditions can get worse very, very quickly simply because of the amount of heat that we are picking up this time of year can really dry things out rather fast. So some more rain would actually be a good thing even if it does impact your weekend plans. Right now, though, we are back to dry weather. Wave 31 Triple Doppler showing a clean sweep out there across the area. Not anticipating any additional rain popping up overnight tonight. What we will have to watch for, maybe a few patches of fog first thing tomorrow morning. Be sure to check in with Grace. She'll let you know if that's an issue in any spot. Otherwise, for your Friday, 6 a.m., we are looking dry at the early part of the day. We'll see a mix of clouds and sun heading into tomorrow afternoon, and also at least a few isolated showers or thunder showers back. Here's 4 o'clock on your Friday. Won't be as numerous as what we saw today or yesterday around the area, but some of you will still likely pick up a brief downpour before everything again kind of trends downward with the rain activity as we lose the daytime heating Friday night into Saturday morning. Early Saturday, some patches of clouds, maybe a few areas of fog. We'll go partly cloudy into your Saturday afternoon. And here comes another little round of showers and some thunder showers out there. Very random on where these will develop. So we're talking about potentially maybe one side of town gets hit with the downpour and the other side doesn't see a drop. Just that sort of pattern. Sunday will basically be a repeat. Sunday morning, not too much going on. Sunday afternoon, here comes another batch of showers and thunder showers. But notice both Saturday and Sunday with future radar, it is not going to rain everywhere across the Tennessee Valley. So some of you will be impacted, others will not. Quick update on the tropics. Tropical wave in the Western Caribbean still has a low chance of development, but what we're really focused on is what is farther out into the Atlantic. National Hurricane Center says this tropical wave, which is way out to sea, this is the Eastern Caribbean here, so this is still a ways out. But they're now giving this a 70 to 90% chance that this will develop into an organized tropical system within the next 2 to 7 days, perhaps as early as this weekend. Next name on the list would be Beryl, and keep in mind as far out to sea that is still many, many days away from impacting any land areas, but obviously something we'll be watching very closely as it starts to get in a little bit closer towards the U.S. Here's your forecast lows tonight, back into the low 70s for most. Tomorrow we do heat up a bit more. 86 at 10, near 90 at the noon hour, and we'll look for low 90s tomorrow afternoon. Your chance for rain on your Friday is sitting at around 20%. 94 our expected high in Scottsboro, will be near 90 in Guntersville, Decatur 92, 93 in the Shoals, and right around 93 in the greater Huntsville area tomorrow. Wave 31 Storm Tracker 10-day keeps rain chances going into the weekend. They'll be a little bit higher Saturday and Sunday compared to tomorrow. So will the temperatures, getting back into the mid-90s for your highs over the weekend. Monday, Tuesday next week, likely see dry weather. And then later into the week, heading into that 4th of July weekend, may pick up a few widely scattered showers and thunder showers once again. We'll also be watching the heat into next week as well, maybe a few days, with temperatures running in the upper 90s starting on Tuesday. No signs of any significant relief. Today, I even mentioned when I was in Tuscumbia, It felt better, and I couldn't believe I was saying that when temperatures were still in the mid to upper 80s, but compared to what we have had, it was some relief. Unfortunately, the hotter and more humid stuff is coming back.
Yeah, gosh, we just want to stay away from those triple digits.
Yeah, we'll be close again. Looks like middle of next week.
All right, Jeff, thank you.